Hello everyone. Here's a quick video briefing of what's going to happen with this prolonged, dangerous, and potentially historic heat wave that's going to hit west central Texas. Today we saw the first part of it, but it's going to continue. So, prolonged, dangerous heat wave. It'll continue through at least Tuesday. And then after that, looks like we might cool down a little bit. We're looking at temperatures that could approach all-time records for San Angelo and Abilene. So once again, that potentially historic heat wave is what it's looking like right now. And Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday look to be the hottest days. So what I have here is a model animation depicting the atmosphere. Specifically, the yellow colors indicate upper level pressure, and then the red and white colors are the low level temperatures. Just kind of gives us an indication as to how hot the atmosphere is. So what we're seeing here is a very strong dome of high pressure that's centered over New Mexico, but it's really going to be extending far out to the east into Texas and Oklahoma, bringing us very hot temperatures through the weekend and into early next week as well. So this high pressure is anomalously strong. It's stronger than you usually see, and it doesn't look like it starts to weaken and move off out of our area until about the middle of next week. Here's kind of a summary of what we expect. We're looking at high temperatures and or heat index values that will be in the 105 to 108 degree range each day, possibly reaching 110 in some locations during the peak of the heat wave, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Daily record high temperatures will be within reach at Abilene on July 11th, and then at Abilene and San Angelo as well for July 12th and 13th. And you can see those records right there on the chart. And the all-time record for San Angelo and Abilene is 111 degrees. And so that's going to be within, it'll be pretty close, if not possibly reaching or exceeding that all-time record high on Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. So we could be breaking all-time records at San Angelo and Abilene, or at least getting close to those numbers. So that kind of speaks volumes as to how historically hot this heat wave is going to be. We already have heat advisories in effect for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. And in addition, we also have Coleman County and Brown County have heat advisories that will start on Saturday. For the Concho Valley and Big Country, the heat advisories continue through Saturday as well. And expect other areas to be added to heat advisories. And then at some point, we're probably going to have to be issuing an upper level type heat warning. It's called an excessive heat warning. So expect those kinds of warnings to be issued at some point in the next day or two. So make sure you stay cool and follow some of these tips in order to stay safe from the heat. If you're at a job site and you're going to be outdoors and exerting yourself, you want to make sure you stay hydrated and take breaks in the shade or air-conditioned buildings as long as possible, as long as it's safe to do so. And checking up on elderly and sick people is also a good idea as long as it's safe to do so, especially those that don't have air conditioning. As usual, never leave pets or kids in a locked vehicle unattended, especially in this kind of heat where it can turn deadly within just a few minutes. So always look before you lock. And if you have to spend time outdoors, try to make it be in the early morning hours or the late night hours, or at the very least try to find shade and stay hydrated and take breaks, frequent breaks, as many as you can. But the best advice really is just to stay inside, stay in a air-conditioned building. If you don't have air conditioning, try to use fans or just stay in the shade or possibly see if the local emergency management in your town has opened up any cooling centers that you can go to. So make sure you stay tuned to this weather situation and stay safe.